I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by inserting the USB recovery drive and rebooting into firmware. This forces Windows to load the recovery environment. Press the boot menu key or open UEFI and select the USB device. Once done, Windows recovery environment will appear. Choose keyboard layout and language. Make sure you've backed up documents because Reinstall can remove apps. If file history or a cloud backup exists, verify it now. This initial boot step is crucial to access repair tools and choose a clean install path. Now choose Troubleshoot, then recover from a drive or reset this PC depending on whether you have installation media. If you want a full wipe, pick Remove Everything. Otherwise, choose Keep My Files. The tool will list partitions. Format the Windows partition if you need a clean slate, but avoid touching OEM recovery unless necessary. Confirm choices and start the reinstall. The recovery environment copies files and restarts multiple times. Make sure the USB stays connected until the installer tells you it's safe to remove. After the install completes, you'll go through UB, region, network, and account setup, so complete those prompts to let Windows configure drivers. Next, run Windows Update and install OEM drivers for optimal performance. Restore your data from the backups you made earlier. If the system doesn't boot, restart into recovery and run automatic repair. If that fails, open command prompt to run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. That single troubleshooting sequence resolves most post-reinstall boot errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.